Hello students, hope you are all right. So let's start our today's lesson. Today we're doing block 7, writing a biographical essay, and lesson plan 3, writing an essay. Today you will be able to write a 4-paragraph biographical essay. Who have you chosen to write your biographical essay on? आपने किसको चूज़ किया है ऐसे लिखने के लिए, and why did you choose him or her? आपने क्यों चूज़ किया उसे? And what can we include in each paragraph to write a biographical essay? We include facts and information in each paragraph and arrange them as an introductory paragraph. A paragraph about the person's childhood and important events, a paragraph about the achievements, and a concluding paragraph. So today we are going to write a 4-paragraph biographical essay. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में इंट्रोडक्शन लिखना है, सेकंड पैराग्राफ में उसके चाइल्डहुड के बारे में आपने बात करनी है, थर्ड पैराग्राफ में अवार्ड्स और अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में बातें होंगी, एंड फोर्थ कंक्लूडिंग पैराग्राफ वहाँ पे होगा. So how to begin a paragraph? Begin each paragraph of the essay with a topic sentence. A topic sentence should tell the main idea of the paragraph. जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस होगा, जो टॉपिक सेंटेंस होगा, उसी से मेन आइडिया के बारे में हमें अच्छे से पता चल जाना चाहिए. And we can start the essay with an interesting fact about the person or with a question to attract the reader's attention, ताकि जो भी रीडर है उनका अटेंशन हम ग्रैब कर सकें अपनी ओर. सो हम ऐसे कोई बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट के साथ शुरू करेंगे. द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज़ द इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ, and the second paragraph includes details about person's childhoods, family, and important life events. Third paragraph includes the achievements of the person, and the last paragraph concludes the essay by telling us the importance of knowing about this particular person. Each paragraph begins with a topic sentence which tells the main idea of the paragraph. For example, the paragraph on a person's childhood can begin by telling how the person's childhood shaped his or her interest in a given field, such as sports or music. And where can you use should and could in the essay? We can use could and would while describing the person's childhood. We use could to write about the person's abilities in the past. Like जब हम abilities के बारे में बात करते हैं, like at the age of 3 she could solve mathematical problems, puzzles in mind. So ये ability थी जो वो past में कर सकती थी. We will use could here, and we use would to write about the person's repeated action, जो वो बार बार करते थे, जो उनकी आदत थी. Like she would spend time with her father at circus. So now take out your worksheet S3, writing an essay at page number 35. Write 4 paragraphs. Biographical essay include sentences with would and could in it. So title, you can write any title, you can write any essay. Now let me give you some examples. So who played an important role in making of the Indian Constitution? It was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He gave the message of equality through his life. Second paragraph, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 into a poor low-caste family in Madhya Pradesh. He was the 14th and the last child of his parents. Seeing from a low caste, he was given very little attention in school by his teachers. They would ask him to sit outside the class, and he would carry his own sack to school to sit on every day. वो लोअर क्लास से बिलोंग करते थे, टीचर उन पर ध्यान नहीं देते थे, और वो अपना ही सैक के वहाँ पे बैठने के लिए रख के आते थे. क्लास के बाहर बैठने के लिए उन्हें कहा जाता था. ही कुडंट ड्रिंक वाटर ऑन हिज ओन. पियन वुड पॉर वाटर फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस विद अ वेसल. वहाँ पे पियन होता था, वो पानी डालता था दूर से, वो अपने आप पानी नहीं पी सकते थे. हावेवर दीज इंसिडेंट डिड नॉट डिटर हिम एंड ही वेंट ऑन टू बिकम एन इन्फ्लुएंशियल लॉयर. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first law minister of independent India and the principal architect of the Indian Constitution. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India, in 1990 after his death. Now the last paragraph, the life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is a story of great struggle, who is, in spite of being born into an underprivileged family, rose to great heights and upheld important position purely on the basis of hard work and talent.